Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have a little bit more of the same, but it's the ITC parking lot sale going on through the 12th, and then of course everyone has a chance to get the leftovers Friday through Sunday. Now, hopefully there's plenty of stock, or at one point they will restock. I can't imagine they won't restock here in the next few days, but I could be wrong, and hopefully you're one of the few who have been able to go in and get your hands on the 40% off wrench sets. But that's not all the good deals. There's other good deals in here. So Harbor Freight, of course, have the advertisement on the front page. This one is amazing. $120, $40 off of the 3/8 drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 54 piece. Icon comes with the beautiful foam pads. Oh man, it's almost worth it just for the foam pads. But that's part of it. They have that in the front. But of course, Harbor Freight has the requisite ITC parking lot sale. Not coupons, but coupon-esque promotions. And we're going to go through them just as a reminder. If you're able to get your wrenches today, what else you can get over the next few days if you're ITC, if not through the weekend. But of course, 30% off all Pittsburgh steel jacks, 40% off of whatever's left of the Icon wrench sets, 50% off mesh and extreme duty tarps, and then 50% off all box nitrile gloves. And we'll just go through it. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let me know if you were one of the lucky few. What'd you get? What else did you pick up? Did you pick up your wrench sets? Or did you pick up something else? Or are you still planning on going? Either way, good luck out there. The Icon locking flex head ratchet bit set, 35 piece for $28. This is basically as good as this mini ratchet is going to be, $28. Franklin's 40x72 moving blanket for $4, 33% off. Vulcan's flux core welding wire, 2 pounds for $15, 40% off. Grant's microfiber cleaning cloths, 12x12 12 pack for $4, 33% off. And if they have them in stock, this is the time to get them. They've been cheaper than this by about $4, but that's okay. For $14, not too bad. 26% off the US General mini steel toolbox. Predator 5000 watt generator, $800, $300 off. Earthquake XT half-inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer, available in plum purple, $90, $40 off. Badland Apex 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote for $480, $120 off. The Apex 12,000 pound winch with steel rope and wireless remote, $100 for $480. They did have the US General Storage Wars going on, storage sale, and it was about $20 more expensive than this. So $80 is definitely, if you're going to pick up the mechanics cart, this is the week to do it. Available in plum, crazy plum, and all these other colors for $200. It has been about $10 cheaper than that, but I mean, $10 at this point is either way is a steal. $200, $80 off. And then here's the 3/8 drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 54 piece for $120, $40 off. Good time to pick up some fans. $120, $40 off for the central machinery. Same thing for the high velocity shop fan. This is the pedestal fan, both $120, except the floor fan's only $20 off. 6-ton heavy-duty Daytona jack stands for $60. Pretty close to the best deal you're going to find on these. $150 for the titanium 36x24-inch modular welding table, $40 off. Here's the other Icon set for $80, $33 off. The 1/4-inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 48 piece. And this also comes in that beautiful foam holders, which are just, it feels worth it to get it. Pittsburgh Automotive Plastic Fastener Kit, 240 piece, $11, 38% off. Some safety glasses for 98 cents. Classic cable ties for $1.60. Outdoor string lights for $20, 20% off. Hallmasters 400-pound capacity ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack for $7. These were free at one point. Pittsburgh's wobble socket extension set for $9.89, 41% off. Multi-use transfer pump, 40% off for $4.79. Warriors Hex Shank pocket driver set, 3-piece. These were also free recently, weren't they? For $1.98. Hardy performance gloves, $3.79, 36% off. Braun 700 lumen adjustable rechargeable LED headlamp for $20, 20% off. US General's 6-drawer full bank service cart for $500, $100 off. The N Locker 22 inch for $320, $80 off. The 72 inch by 22 inch triple bank roll cap for $1,400, $400 off. Definitely, I believe this is a better deal. Yeah, 20% off would have been $36, so pretty close, but better deal now than it was during the storage deals. The Quinn's Master Technician set for 228 piece for $330, $100 off. Good deal there. Pittsburgh Mechanics Tool Set 301 piece for $169.99, $30 off. Pittsburgh, always a steal of a deal. US General Peg Type Socket Trays 3-piece, $18. Magnetic Socket Rail US General, $15, 31% off. Mechanics Tool Set 225 piece for $100 even, $40 off. $40 off. Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty Quinn 1/2-inch drive SAE metric Master Impact Socket Set 61 piece for $140, $50 off. That deserves a reminder of the percentage off here. So $50 off of $190, 26% off. Excellent discount. And we have the Quinn 1/2-inch drive 12 to 250 foot-pound digital torque angle torque wrench, $150, $30 off. Icon's 1/2-inch drive 50 to 250 pound professional click torque wrench, $120, $20 off. 3/8-inch drive bolt extractors socket set 9-piece for $25, 16% off. Icon Alert 3/8-inch drive professional deep socket set 12-piece, only 11% off, but still okay. Pittsburgh Flex Head long handle ratchet for $28, 15% off. We have a tarp, all-purpose weather resistant tarp, 11 by 19 feet, $18. Pittsburgh 16-ounce fiberglass hammers, $393. 5-gallon fuel cans for $19. Your choice of either diesel or gas. Franklin, 13% off. Franklin 150-pound capacity foldable hand truck for $25, 28% off. US General's quarter 3/8 and 1/2-inch multiple rail socket tray for $15. Pry bar set 4-piece for $998. 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets for $498. Yukon's clear stacking bin large for $298. Pittsburgh Pro Alert. Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch drive high visibility deep socket set 10-piece. I feel like I'm saying this again. $998. 28% off for a high vis Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch. Tough to beat. Warrior 1 3/8-inch plunge flush cutting blade for multi-tools $396. Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with precision LED shadow guide $299. $299 off of $50 off. It's about 15% off, 14%. Not great, not bad. McGraw 20-gallon, 135 psi. Air compressor for $199.99, $50 off. That's 20% off. Central Pneumatic 3/8-inch by 50-foot retractable hose reel, $65 for 27% off. Titanium's Unlimited 140 professional multi-process welder with 120-volt input for $500, $100 off. Bauer's 2000 psi pressure washer, $175, $15 off. Chief's professional long barrel air hammer for $120, $20 off. The classic Black Widow professional gravity feed air spray guns, $130, $50 off. Armstrong's TV mount from 37-inch to 80 inches for $30, 25% off. Of course, the 1,200-pound capacity cart, removable size for $140. Save $35 on that. Predator's 2-inch 212cc gasoline engine, semi-trash water pump, 158 gallons per minute, $217.99, $72 off. Does that seem new? Why does that seem? It's not new. It's just more clear now than it has been. $72 off of $290, 24, almost 25% off. Good deal. Franklin 800-pound capacity hand truck, $65, 13% off. Franklin 4-in-1 convertible hand truck, 5, 8, and 1,000-pound capacity for $170, $20 off. Another Franklin hand truck, 700 pounds for $50, 16% off. Pittsburgh plier set with comfort grips, 5-piece, $14.99, 25% off. Disposable blue shop towels for $229. US General 3/8 drive magnetic socket holders for $13. Merlin's 1/4-inch brass industrial plugs for $1.50, female and male. Pittsburgh's High Vis socket adapter set, 4-piece for $289, 35% off. Pittsburgh's Universal Joint socket adapter set, 3-piece for $598. Icon Alert, almost 40% off. Professional Impact socket adapter set, 4-piece, $19.99, 39% off. Pittsburgh 1/4" and 3/8" dual drive extendable ratchet, 33% off for $12. Rangers Hard Terrain gel knee pads for $12. Pittsburgh 20-inch 4-way lug wrench for 37% off. The classic way to change your tire for $9.98. Predator's 9,500 watt super quiet generator for $1849.99, $450 off. Predator 9,000 watt gas powered portable generator for $699.99, $100 off. The 6,500 watt gas powered generator, $599.99, only $50 off. Badlands ZXR 12,000 pound truck SUV winch with wire rope for $300, $50 off. Badlands ZXR 500 pound UTV power sport winch, $150, $30 off. The 3,500 pound UTV power sport winch with automatic load holding brake for $125, $15 off. We got some Hallmaster 750 pound capacity folding cargo carrier for $90, $30 off. The 600 pound capacity motorcycle carrier for $200, $40 off. The 1,000 pound capacity 9-inch by 72-inch steel loading ramp set of 2 for $60, 29% off. Centec 630 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack for $60, 25% off. Zurich Z13S OBD2 code reader, $140, $10 off. Pittsburgh no spill radiator funnel kit for $30, 25% off. More classic Pittsburgh, the 4,000 pound capacity solid steel auto ramp set for $60, 98-cent plastic drop cloth. Pittsburgh screwdriver set for less than $1 each, 8-piece, $796, 20% off. Some high strength super glue 10-pack for $249. Merlin's 1/4" by 50-foot lay flat air hose for $20, almost 40% off. And if there's a sale going off of all hoses for 20% off, this is obviously better. And then last but not least, the US General 1/4" drive magnetic socket holder for $996, 41% off, SAE or metric. And that is your reminder. One other thing I wanted to look at, hopefully you can get your wrenches, but the Harbor Freight algorithm combines all my Icon and Quinn asks. So of course, these are the deals we just went over, the parking lot sale, but there is a 12% off. Was this parking lot sale or ITC? 3/8" drive professional semi deep socket set, 12-piece, $35, SAE or metric. We have the 1/2" drive professional long reach flex head ratchet with comfort grip, 15% off. So if you're out there and you're combining your parking lot sale with other things, there's ITC, super coupons, and instant savings going on. We have the Icon 3/8" drive 20 to 100 foot professional click torque wrench, $10 off. You get it for $100. Then we have a 3/8" drive 40 to 200 inch-pound professional compact click torque wrench. This is also $10 off for $110. Super coupons, the L-shaped ball end hex key set, 18% off, $18. Icon's professional scraper for 28% off, $10. ITC deal, 16% off the 12-inch internal straight precision snap ring pliers for $25. And then you have some Quinn deals, which Harbor Freight knows that I like as well. But I will leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. What have you picked up so far? What are you planning on getting at the parking lot sale? You got all week. And with that, if you find this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you're planning on getting. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.